Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another CVS Get Ready With Me video for the deal starting January 19th to January 25th. Now, if you guys are new to couponing at CVS, I did not forget about the breakdown video this week. I'm actually going to go in store and discuss the deals with you guys. So make sure you grab some newspapers this week. At least I say 2 newspapers. Now make sure also guys you check out my in-store video at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, and let's jump right into this. Okay, so the first deal is going to be on Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash, and we did get some really good CRTs, so hopefully you guys got the same CRTs. So they're buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. So in this case, I'm only going to pick up the Soft Soap Body Wash. So I'm going to pick up 3 of them for $11.97. I'm going to use 3 of the 75-cent off 1 coupons from our 119 Smart Source. So here goes the 75-cent off 1 coupon from our 119 Smart Source. I'm just going to use 1 of them and 2 of the printables on softsoap.com. So I have a 2 for $8 body wash CRT as well as a $3 off 3 soft soap CRT. So the total works out to $4.72, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So this works out to be free plus a 28-cent moneymaker. So there goes that 2 for $8 body wash CRT, as well as the 3 for $3 any 15-ounce or 18-ounce soft soap body wash. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on Speed Stick. They're going to be on a promotion for buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. And they're also going to be on sale 2 for $6. So I'm going to use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons from our 119 Smart Source. And I also got a $2 off 2 Speed Stick CRT. So the total works out to $3, but you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks. So it works out to be free after extra bucks. So there goes the coupons right there. And it says single pack, so I'm thinking that's just like one of the Speed Stick, because I know Speed Stick has a double pack. So let's see what happens with that CRT. I have 1 coupon for the women's and 1 coupon for the men's. So you can pick and choose what you want to grab. You could grab 2 of the women's, 2 of the men's, or 1 woman and 1 men's. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on Tresemme 28-ounce. They're going to be on a great promotion for buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. And they're going to be on sale 2 for $8. So we're going to use the 4 for 2 coupon from our 15 RMN. And I have a $2.50 off 8 Tresemme CRT. So the total works out to $1.50, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. And the coupons are right here. Now this coupon expires today, so this is only going to be a Sunday only deal. So make sure you take advantage of this deal if you have the 4 for 2 and the $2.50 off 8 Tresemme CRT. Now the next deal is going to be on Loreal. So Loreal is going to be on a promotion for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $8. So you're going to pick up 4 of them for $16. You're going to use the 4 for 2 coupon from our 119 RMN, as well as a 3 for 2 coupon from coupons.com. We also have one in our CVS app digital coupons. That's the one I will be using. I have a 3 for 12 shampoo CRT, making the total $6, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $1 for all of them, or 25 cents each. So there goes that 3 for 12 shampoo CRT and the 4 for 2 coupon from our inserts today. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on the Garnier Fructis 1-minute hair mask. So these are going to be on a promotion this week for buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. And they're going to be on sale 2 for $7. So we got a great 4 for 2 coupon in our 119 RMN, making the total $3, but we're going to get back a $4 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus a $1 moneymaker. Now, I wanted to show you guys this coupon really quickly because it's not on any Garnier Fructis hair care items. So it says on any 2 Garnier Fructis 11.8 ounce treat shampoo conditioner or 1-minute hair mask. So you see the products that are displayed there. Those are the products that you have to get with this coupon. So you cannot buy the regular Garnier Fructis with this, but the 1 Minute Miracle is part of the deal. 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you get a $4 extra buck. So you have to pick up the 1 Minute Hair Mask. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're going to be on a great promotion for buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. And they're also going to be buy 1, get 1 50% off. So we're going to pick up one of the Maybelline Colossal Mascara for $9.29. And one of the Maybelline Great Lash Mascaras for half off at $3.49. You're going to use one of the $2 off 1 mascara coupon from our 15RMN. Remember, guys, you can only use one of those coupons because they are a limit of 1. I have a $3 off Colossal Mascara CRT, as well as a $2 off for the Great Lash Mascara. We are receiving a mystery offer coupon. Hopefully the coupon is $3 or even higher, so it can be more of a moneymaker. So the total works out to $278 if we're getting a $3 mystery offer coupon. So make sure you scan your card at the Redbox Coupon Center, making this free plus a $222 moneymaker. Because remember, guys, when we buy 2 of them, we get a $5 extra buck. And here goes the coupons right here. So there goes the $2 off manufacturer coupon, the $2 off Maybelline Great Lash, and the $3 off Colossal Mascara. The next deal is going to be on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're going to be on a great promotion for spend $15, get a $7 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the Exhibitionist mascaras for $11.99. You're going to pick up one of the twin brow pencils for $5.99. So they did go up at my store. So I went in store today to print out my $3 off Garnier Facial Care CRT that we were supposed to receive last week. So it actually finally printed out. And I did check the twin brow pencils, and they're $5.99. They used to be $4.69, and then they went up to $4.99. Now they're $5.99. So the total before coupons is going to be $17.98. You can use 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 15RMN. I have a $3 off CoverGirl Exhibitionist CRT, as well as a 3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT. Also, in our CVS app, there's a $150 off CoverGirl mascara, so make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping, and that coupon says app only on it. So after all the coupons, the total works out to $4.48, but you're going to get back a $7 extra buck. So it works out to free plus a $252 moneymaker. So there goes the $3 off coupons right there. The $3 off CoverGirl Exhibitionist Mascara, and my 3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT. Now the next deal is going to be on Boost Drinks. They're going to be on a great promotion for buy 4, get a $10 extra buck. And they're going to be on sale for $6.99. So you're going to pick up 4 of them for $27.96. You're going to use 2 of the 5 off of 2 coupons from our 15RMN, making the total $17.96. But you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it works out to $7.96 for all of them, or $1.99 each. And there goes that 5 off of 2 coupon right there. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on the Garnier Face Care. They're going to be on a promotion for buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So I'm going to pick up one of the micellar wipes for $7.59 and one of the purifying wipes for $6.99. I'm going to use a $2 off one from coupons.com and a $2 off one from our CVS app digital coupons. I have a $2 off micellar CRT and a $3 off Garnier Instant coupon that printed for us last week. So it didn't print until like Friday, I believe. So the total worked out to $5.58, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to 58 cents for both of them, or 29 cents each. So there goes that $2 off coupon from coupons.com, the $3 off instant coupon, as well as the $2 off Garnier Micellar Cleaning Water CRT. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on Hallmark cards. So these are going to be on promotion. Buy 3, get a $3 extra buck. And you must pick up the ones that are $2 and up. So I'm going to pick up 3 of them for $2 each, making them $6. And then I'm going to grab another 2 for 99 cents each, making them $1.98. You're going to use a $3 off 3 coupon from cvs.com/coupons. And I have a 4 off of 5 Hallmark CRT. So the total works out to 98 cents, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So this works out to be free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. And there goes the coupons right there. The $3 off 3 and the $4 off 5 Hallmark cards. So a really good deal if you guys have those coupons. Now the next deal is going to be on Colgate Total 3.4 ounce. They're going to be on a promotion for buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. And you can do this deal up to 2 times. So they're going to be on sale for $3.49. I'm going to pick up 2 of them for $6.98. I have 2 of the 75-cent off 1 coupons from Colgate.com. We also have 50-cent insert coupons in our 119 Smart Source. So the total works out to $5.48, but you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks. So it works out to $1.48 for both of them, or 74 cents each. Now the last deal is going to be the Crest with Scope 1 liter. They're going to be on a promotion for buy 1, get a $3 extra buck. And you can do this deal up to 2 times. So I'm going to pick up 1 of them for $5.49. I'm going to use a $1 off coupon from our CVS app digital coupons, making the total $4.49. But you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So it works out to $1.49 after extra bucks. Now I do have a 3 off of 12 toothpaste CRT. So I'm going to try to use it tomorrow and see what happens, because a lot of you guys are saying that you're having issues with all oral care CRT. So I'm going to try it out tomorrow with these 2 deals, and let's see what happens. And then I have the 75-cent off coupons from Colgate.com. So this is what the coupon looks like right there. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Again, I will be going in store at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. So make sure you guys catch me there. And then I'm going to do a newbie-friendly breakdown video in store. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.